Hello friends, welcome back and welcome if you're new. I hope you're having an amazing beginning of autumn. Today I'm excited to share my early fall clean and decorate video. Fall is my favorite season of the year, especially when it starts cooling down and we can cozy up inside. I started in the kitchen with these shelves over the stove. I picked up this Mrs. Meyer's apple cider spray from the grocery store, and I love that it's a seasonal, spicy scent. Changing scents in the home, even subtly, is a great way to usher in the new season. I like to add simple touches here and there to mark the change in seasons. I picked these marigolds from our backyard to put in a little vase, and then added a few seasonal decor items I've picked up over the years. I like using what I have and not going out to purchase a ton of new things every year, and it's amazing that even small changes can make your space feel a little cozier. While I was cleaning the shelves, I noticed there was a thick layer of dust on top of our refrigerator, so I took a moment to wipe that off as well. I guess when you're not tall enough to see the dust, you forget that it's there.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled
Our fig tree in the backyard is full of figs and they're ripening right now. We eat a lot of them right off the tree, but sometimes they're far more than I can handle. They need to be eaten or used right away or they get pretty mushy. I decided that I was going to try drying a few of them this year to use in some fall baking and for snacking on.
everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the
If you're new here today, my name is Sara and I share weekly videos about cleaning, organizing, and homemaking. If you like what you see, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and I'd love it if you'd consider subscribing.
Building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time.
One of our neighbors has a huge oak tree that's dropping acorns and branches like crazy right now, so I went over and collected a small branch that had fallen to add to our coffee table. I love how small natural elements liven up a space.
Easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond dawn.
While in the living room, I thought I'd take some time and dust all of these shelves. This isn't something that I do very regularly, so they kind of need it when I do get to them. It's nice to clean things a little more deeply before we shut the windows for the fall and stay inside more.
Tiptoes, undercover agents.
Our mantle is quite the dust collector. I think it's the electronics and it being a horizontal surface. Anyhow, I spent some time cleaning up here and adding a few fall touches. I also added some sunflowers and a little glass pumpkin to our entryway. Since the entry is the first thing we see when we come in, I like to make it homey and cheerful. I used most of the dried figs in a fig walnut biscotti recipe I found. I feel like people either love or hate figs. Let me know in the comments if you like them or not. These taste a bit like a fig Newton but have a really nice fennel twist. I think they're excellent with a cup of tea. I'll be sure to link the recipe I used down below. New neighbors moved in next door this summer, which has been great because the house has been vacant for several years. Our new neighbors are super sweet, but our family felt like we didn't have as much privacy, especially when we're eating dinner and everyone was walking by outside these windows. So today I worked on adding this privacy film to the windows. I picked it up at the hardware store and it's attached with, I think, static, so there's no glue. You just spray the windows with some soapy water and then squeegee out the bubbles. I'm really happy with it turned out because it still lets in plenty of light, but we don't feel as exposed when we're eating at the dining room table. It makes it all feel a little cozier and tucked in as well. the afternoon, I usually have a load of laundry to fold. Today, I had a huge overflowing laundry bin to empty. My secret for getting it done is that this is the only time that I watch YouTube videos, or sometimes I listen to music or an audiobook. It really makes the time fly by. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this video gave you some cozy fall cleaning inspiration and you're having a wonderful start to your autumn. I'll see you next time. Bye.